the vegetables to avoid eating during pregnancy that can cause miscarriage. If pregnant women eat a lot of these kinds of vegetable, it will increase the risk of miscarriage to pregnant women. During pregnancy, eating and drinking are crucial because it affects the growth of fetus directly, particularly during the first 3 months, since risk of miscarriage is very high, so pregnant women should put extra attention what they consume. To avoid the risks, pregnant moms should avoid eating the following kinds of vegetables. 1. Bitter melon. Even though we know the purpose of bitter melon is to avoid defect and helping fetus develop, however, if pregnant women overeat bitter melon, it will cause unpredictable risks since its bitter taste can cause stomach and womb pulsate. It can even lead to miscarriage, premature birth for women that have high risks such as uterus inclines back and uterus has scarred DNC many times. Scientists advise pregnant women reduce from eating bitter melons. Also, the vicinin seed of bitter melon can cause poisoning for some sensitive bodies. For children and pregnant women should prevent from eating seed of bitter melon, so remove its seeds completely before cook. 2. Rose moss. Rose moss is a type of vegetable that can plant easily, look after and find. Used usually as herbal remedy in food used to cook dish. Reality tested that for pregnant women who eat rose moss, it will stimulate your uterus strongly such as shrinking of uterus, thus can lead to miscarriage. 3. Wormwood. It is known as a kind of vegetable that can relieve muscle pain. However, researches show that if pregnant women eat wormwood in the first 3 months of pregnancy, it can increase risk of bleeding, contraction of uterus. The result can then cause miscarriage or premature birth. Avoid this if pregnant mothers have history of miscarriage or premature birth. Mothers shouldn't eat wormwood. 4. Sweet leaf. Sweet leaf can cause spasm of uterus's smooth muscle, which will lead to miscarriage and diarrhea, since it contains papaverine. Consumption of more than 30 grams of fresh leaf, you will have high risk of miscarriage. For mothers having the history of miscarriage continuously, premature birth, valuable and rare child, so avoid or limit sweet leaf. 5. Moringa. Moringa can be used to prevent pregnancy because it contains alpha-sitosterol whose structure is similar to estrogen, with the effect to prevent pregnancy. During pregnancy, hormone progesterone will excrete, and it makes uterus soft resulting the uterus not pulsates. Alpha-sitosterol inside moringa causes smooth muscle of uterus shrink that can lead to miscarriage. So scientists remind pregnant women not to eat moringa. 6. Flagrant knotweed. For first 3 months of pregnancy, should avoid or limit flagrant knotweed because eating it excess will cause blood loss. Furthermore, it contains substance that also cause state of pulsating uterus that can cause miscarriage. Claims that pregnant women can eat duck embryo with some stems of flagrant knotweed, and it doesn't cause any problem.